standard SST class. The subject is about sociology. Yes, in sociology I have completed 3 chapters. This is the 4th chapter, that is types of society. Yes, in the previous class we have studied about the social institution and meaning of social institution and the necessities and why you need the knowledge of social institutions, that we have learned. Now let us learn about the types of societies in this lesson. That is the 4th lesson in sociology, types of society. Now firstly we will start with the meaning of society. Yes, society. Society means what? Where a social being is living. Where a social being and the human beings where they are living, that is called a society. Yes? Yes, now let us go into the lesson. Society is the most prominent subject of sociology. Sociology is a science devoted to the study of human society scientifically. So sociology is the study of a human society scientifically. Alright, scientifically now in study material, that is the subject is called as about human beings, it is called as sociology. Human beings and society are two faces of a same coin. Yes, you have a coin where there is a number on one side and there is a emblem on the other side. Like that, here society and human beings and society are the two faces of a coin here. The human beings cannot live alone and prefer to live in a social group. The human beings, they can't live alone. They alone can't live their life. So they need a society, a social group, a group of people. Yes, that is called a social group. Society aids hostility, development of human beings. So if a person alone lives, he cannot lead his life. He needs his basic necessities and he needs some relief, leisure. He needs time pass. Yes, and so society is aid to development of a human being. So ನಮ್ಮದು ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಬೇಕು. In society, many aspects like job, lifestyle, culture, thoughts and rituals differ from one geographical area to another. So society is not same in all the place. Every society is not same. Yes, society changes from one area to another area. Okay, one area to another. The lifestyle also changes from one place to another place. The jobs, the occupations, these also change from one society to another society. Suppose if it is a coastal area, the occupation is different there. The society, their food habits, their clothing, their living style, all changes. So the society changes from one place to another places. It depends upon the locality they are living in. In one center of rural area, numerous cattle, sheep and other domestic animals are visible. So I told you as their occupation. In some areas you can see cattle, sheep and domestic animals rearing. In some areas you can see the people working in agriculture, and in the urban areas you can see the people working in the industries and the factories. Yes. A visit to cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, where you said high-rise buildings. You can see only buildings and crowded people, human beings, and more vehicles, slums, and industries. The government offices, hospitals, and many other modern institutions can be seen in a urban society. The word society originated from the Greek word so yes, you can see here it is originated from the Greek word, that is socius. Yes, this is the word which is originated from the Greek. Yes, which means companionship. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is companionship, means friendship. Society means you are having a friend there. You are having friendship and you are sharing your needs, your deeds and your problems with them. So the structure that grows out these interaction people can be called as a society. Where you are interacting with people, that is called a society. Now definition here. The definition of society. What is the definition here? The definition of society here, the web of social relationship is a society. Very nice definition they have given here. What is the definition here of a society? Definition of a society: the web of social relationship. The web ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? The spider and web ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, that is the house of a spider, you can say. The web of social relationship. Social relationship is called is a society. This is a very good definition. That is, the web of social relationship is society. The complex relation of social institutions and social groups is a society. Yes, here the complex relation and the social institutions. There is a relation between the social institution and social group, that is called a society. Yes, now nature. How many? What are the nature of the society here? Society is community of communities. Community of communities. Society ಒಳಗ so many communities ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಒಳಗ so many communities ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಜಾತಿಗಾತು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏರಿಯಾದಾತು, ಹಂಗ ಬೇರೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಆ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಆಗ. ಓಕೆ, grouping of people is called community. A group of people together living is called a community. So society is formed by grouping so many communities. So many communities ಕೂಡಿ ಒಂದು ಏನಾದ ಒಂದು society ಆಗಿದೆ. Yeah. Every society has a family. Every one society ಒಳಗ there are so many number of families here, and there are so many neighborhoods here, and rural and urban area settings, political parties and other communities. Hence H.M. Johnson says community is a community of communities. Very nice definition he has given of society here. Society is community of communities. Andre group of societies together is called a community. So group of communities together is called a communities. Social. Next, second point. Society is a web of social relationship. Society does not mean group of people. A society does not mean group of people only. It is a group of dynamic interaction between its members. So society means not only group of people, but also there is a interaction of ideas, changing of ideas, getting the views, interaction of interest of different ideas you are exchanging. You are getting their ideas, they are telling your ideas, you are telling, and you are also exchanging interacting with your skills. The scope of relation to be vast and varied. It includes teachers, students relationship, parent-children relationship, patient-doctor relationship, husband-wife, and many other relationships are there in the society. Hence the society as a web of social relationships. This is about the second point, that is society is a web of social relationship. Next, third point is the similarities and the resemblance. Similarities and resemblance. So similarity means what? Similarly we have in some families are similar, they are having same type of culture, same type of heritage, that is the similarity. Resemblance means what? Resemblance plays an important role in the society structure. Resemblance in various physical and psychological traits of human beings in a society. From the base of society, since similarity and are visible as in the aspiration, values, interaction, love and affection among the people, a sense of unity prevail among them. So here so many societies, they are resembling same type of behavior there. That is the resemblance here. So the fourth point is the cooperation and division of labor. What is happening here in a society? What is happening? You are exchanging your views, exchanging your skills, and you are helping one another, and you are also dividing the work nature. Yes, one in a field you say one labor is doing one type of work and another labor is doing another type of work. Like that, they are dividing their labor. They are dividing the work. Yes, cooperation. That is done by cooperation. Cooperation means getting together of people to work together to achieve a goal, common goal. ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡಿ ಆ ಕಾಳನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಇದು ಮಾಡದೆ ಗ್ರೋ ಮಾಡದೆ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಒಂದು ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ. Since a spirit of cooperation prevails among the people, their response to each other means division of labor means sharing of the task. This is another word, very good word is that sharing of the task. Avanga task na ellaru share ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ it is called a division of labor here. A group of people, division of labor is done by on the basis of on the age. It is division of labor, it is done on the they are giving priority to the age. Age ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಲೇಬರ್ನ ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್. ಹ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೇಬರ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. Society has its own way of regulating human behavior. Society, which is having its own way of regulating the human behavior. So the modern society regulates its members through from formal controls like law, rules and constitution. So here there is a now here some rules and regulations ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಂಗ blindly ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Laws and rules and constitution. It also regulates through the informal media like customs, morals and tradition. Next is the sixth point is the society is a dynamic. Society is a dynamic. Society is always dynamic. Without a change, no society survives alone. So, ಈ society ಹಿಂದಿದ್ದ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. There are so many changes, ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಬಂದೀವಿ. ಹಿಂದೆ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಅನಿಸ್ತೈತಿ ಆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ನಾವು ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಹಳೆದು ಮರಿತೀವಿ. Just like that, it is going on. Changes have been taken from the long period. So changes ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ we can survive. So, but the rate of change may vary. The rate of change is also slow in rural society. The rate of change in urban society is very fast. Rural area ಒಳಗೆ changes ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಆಗ್ತವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಅರ್ಬನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. So this is about the types of society. The next part we will move in the next class. Okay, children. Till then you read the lesson and try to answer the question answers. Okay, children. Bye.